Okay, let's get real for a second. Have you ever dreamed about studying in Italy? I mean, really living there, surrounded by all that amazing art, history, and of course, the food? Well, what if I told you that entire dream could be fully funded? Yeah. Today, we're breaking down the official Italian government scholarship, and trust me, this could absolutely change your life.
All right, first things first. Before we go any further, I need you to grab your phone. Seriously, open your calendar and plug in this date, May 26, 2026. This is not a suggestion. It's the hard deadline, the final cutoff. If you miss this date, you miss the entire opportunity. It's that simple.
Now for the really exciting part. Just imagine this for a moment. 900 euros, tax-free, showing up in your bank account every single month. For a student in Italy, that is a game changer. That's your rent, your groceries, your weekend trips, your espresso, everything. This isn't just a little help. It's the financial freedom to actually soak in the culture and focus on your studies without having to stress about money.
So, what is this incredible thing exactly? It's called the MAECI Scholarship. It's the official grant from the Italian government itself, and it's funded by their Ministry of Foreign Affairs. This isn't just some random scholarship. It's a huge deal. It's prestigious, it's government-backed, and it looks incredible on a resume. It's your key to some of the oldest and most respected universities in the entire world.
Okay, so let's dig a little deeper here. What does fully funded actually mean in this context? Because, spoiler alert, it is so much more than just that monthly payment. Let's break down the true value of what they're offering.
Just look at this. This is what complete peace of mind looks like for a student. On top of that monthly stipend, your tuition fees are completely covered, gone. You get comprehensive health and medical insurance for your entire stay, so you're totally protected. And for a lot of the universities, they even waive those annoying registration and graduation fees. This is a true full-ride experience, letting you focus 100% on why you're there, to learn and to grow.
But honestly, the real value here, it's not about the money. This scholarship is your ticket to an experience that will completely transform you. It's about learning a new way of life, seeing the world from a different perspective, and discovering a new side of yourself. It's an investment in who you are becoming, not just what's on your degree.
And you know, this isn't just for one specific type of student. Look at the variety here. You've got the standard master's degrees and PhD programs, for sure. But it also covers research projects if you're a bit further along in your career. And check this out, for all the creative people watching. It funds AFAM programs, which are for advanced studies in art, music, and dance. They even have options for short-term Italian language and culture courses, so there's pretty much a path for everyone.
All right, so that brings us to the big question, right? Is this for you? Let's get into the details of who can apply so you can figure out right now if you are the right fit for this incredible program.
Okay, here's the deal, and you've got to pay close attention to this part. The age limits are very strict. If you're applying for a master's degree or one of those AFAM art programs, you have to be under 28. For a PhD, the cutoff is 30. And for a research project, you get a little more time. The limit is under 40. Make sure you fit into one of these categories before you go any further.
Now, what about the big one, the language barrier? I know this is a huge source of anxiety for so many students. But here's the amazing news. You do not have to be fluent in Italian. There are tons of programs taught completely in English. For those, you just need to prove a B2 level of English. Now, if you do want to study in Italian, then yeah, you'll need a B2 in Italian. It's that simple.
Okay, so you've confirmed you're eligible, you're excited, you are ready to make this happen. So let's get practical. Let's walk through the exact steps you need to take. Think of this as your personal roadmap to turning this dream into a reality. Here's your checklist of what you'll need to gather. You've got the basics, right? Your passport, your transcripts, a CV. But I really want you to zoom in on that motivation letter. That is everything. It's your one and only chance to talk directly to the people making the decision. This is where you connect your story, your passion, and your goals to this specific opportunity in Italy. Don't just list what you've done, tell them why this has to be your next step. And the online process itself, it's actually super straightforward. You just go to the official website, create your account, and start filling in the form. Here's a pro tip. Get all your documents scanned and saved as PDFs before you even start. It will make the whole thing so much smoother. Then, once everything is uploaded, just double-check it, take a nice deep breath, and hit that submit button. So, we are getting close to the end here, and I just want to leave you with one final, really important thought. An opportunity this amazing means that thousands of other smart, talented students from all over the world are also going to be applying. In this game, procrastination is your worst enemy. So, what is your next step?
right now. It's this URL. This is where it all begins. Go to studyinitaly.esteri.it. Seriously, do it today. Create your account. Start browsing the programs. The people who get these scholarships are the ones who start preparing now, not a week before the deadline.
Look, this is so much more than just a scholarship. It's a doorway to a whole new chapter of your life, one that's going to be filled with learning, adventure, and personal growth you can't even imagine yet. The application process is clear, the benefits are incredible, and the experience will be priceless. So the only real question left is, will we be seeing you in Italy?